So let's see how this Google Forms are made. So before for that you have to what you have to do is go to the Play Store and you just type Forms app and you just browse it. You will see this interface which you have to take. This is the install it in your phone. After the installation, what you have to do is and complete the installation procedure as one by one. Just one, go, okay, and you have to sign it with your Google account. Select your Google account. They will direct you to the forms things. Allow it. So this is the interface which opens. Okay, so you are seeing a Forms app with your blank interface. So yeah, that we are going to make a form. So for that you have a plus sign here which you will have to click on that. This is the two kinds of things it appears. So one is the forms and the other one is a quiz. What is that? According to your need, you can select which one you have to do. Here we are going to see the forms and surveys. For the surveys, if you are given to do a survey for your internships or for your part of a curriculum, what you are going to do is that you will be clicking the forms, okay, the first one. So click on that. After clicking that, you will be seeing some already installed templates which you can use for your purpose as per the requirements. Or what you can do is that you have a blank thing, that is this one, create a blank form. So here I'm going to create a blank form, so I'm going to click on that. So after clicking on that, you are going to see a title and the description. What is the title? Your survey will be on the topic increasing crime rates in the society. Okay, and for the description, if you have any kind of description for your title, what you're intending to, this survey is in society, or whatever things you have to add, you can add in your descriptions. Okay, after you have completed your title and the descriptions, you can add your descriptions more. And after you have completed, what you can do is you're seeing this plus sign. Okay, your this you have multiple choice questions, short answer, long answer. You can ask for email, number, and check boxes. Whatever your requirement, as per your requirement, you can select what kind of questions, what kind of patterns you would be requiring. Okay, so here I'm going for short answer. What is you want the person's name? Okay, and if and if it is required, the person's name is required, you if it is compulsory that you're asking for this, you want the answer for that, you have to check in this. Okay, now click here. This is your first question. Now again you will be pressing your this plus button, and next question is again what do you want the person's age. What is your age? Okay, so if it is required, you you will be checking again, or if you don't want, you don't have to check, since the survey is intended for how what kind of people are doing the surveys or answering the surveys, what category of people. So we are required to have this answer also. We would be requiring to know the age group, so we need the age. What is the person's age? And again the next questions will be gender. Here you would be requiring the person's gender, so male. And now add one more, female, and other. Okay. If you want it in a row forms, you can fill this row forms, or and if you want it in a column form, you can do it in a column form. Okay, so I have requested for the this is a required field, so you'll be checking it again. What do you think is the cause? Now your answer, you have your checkbox taken, and what you think is the cause of crimes. Okay, so add opinion. You can add your opinion. Is a family problem. Add options. Unawareness. The next one is drugs. Others. Okay, so this is options field, and you can add for the description also. Okay, if any other means you can give the descriptions. This is other things. Okay, so this is a required field, and then moving on to the next one. According to you, crime. Okay, so add opinion. It's 10 to 18. Again, 40 to 50, and above 50. So we have added, and you have a description field also. So you can also fill that. You can just click on that so that this field is registered. Okay, now you'll be clicking here, and this question is also registered. So in this way you can add as many as questions as you want, and last, when you complete your survey, when you complete your questions, what you have to do is you can, here you are seeing a submit button. Okay, so click on that submit button. So this is the interface which you will see after your submission. So if you have any kind of themes, you can add here for your themes. If you have any logos, you can check this box, and you can add that. And if you want some welcome page to start, so that if you check this one, it will say start survey. It will display interface like this, start. Okay, and when you click on the start button only, the survey start, and you can see the questions. Or else if you uncheck that, but you straight away the questions will be displayed. And estimated time is all like if you want to have any part for the protection purpose, you can add this, but for the survey purposes, I think you don't have to add all this. You don't have to check all this page. Or I don't want a welcome page, so that start button and all I don't want. I just want the people to see the question straight away, so I am just unchecking it. And what you are going to see is here you can see the preview and all. So if you check on this, you can see the previews and all. Now we are going to submit this form. Okay, this is the submit button, and you are creating form, and you can just you can just copy the link, and you can WhatsApp. You are seeing the WhatsApp button here, no? WhatsApp or email, whatever sorts of things you are seeing, or you are seeing the share button. You can share it with the person to whom you are going to share it. Okay, just in your whatever you want to share it, you can just share it. Okay, so it's done. So after that, when you complete your surveys and all, we'll come back to your main menu. Here, what you are seeing is that uh, according to your survey title, survey on increasing crimes in society, just click on that so that you can see your how many people have responded to your things. So here we have 3 responses. So what you can do is that click on that. So you can see 3 responses which you have seen. Name 3 people have sent, age according to the send, and what kind of genders, which genders have responded, and what they are saying upon this. This is how you create this Google form and you create your responses. And in order to, if you want to download this in an Excel form, you're seeing this download button down, just click on that. So they will be asking you in which PDF you want, or a Word or Excel. We will download this in Excel format. Click on that, and just since you have already downloaded Excel sheets in your from your Google app, so just open it, your sheets. So this details what all things you have entered all appears here in the Excel sheet, so that you can just take a printout of this, and you what all things you have required, or everything comes up here. So this is how Google Forms is made. Hope you have understood it, and just try it out yourself and use this Google Forms for your future references and your curriculums. Okay, thank you so much.